There we go. Somehow my camera got zoomed in somehow.
I got easier. I'll go around it.
Food farm.
Oh shit. Oh yeah? Who's that? Damn.
Damn, that was a big one, Jack.
What, today?
Yeah.
Shit. We got all week long for that.
I told her Monday.
Yeah, you got all week for that.
It's supposed to be nice this week, isn't it?
Yeah, 70s all week, nice and sunny. Oh yeah.
I ain't no hurry to do it. Yeah.
I hear
Also,
that.
it's still all wet.
Yeah, it is. It's nasty out here. Yo, that's a tough line over there. You been up that yet, Jack?
Yeah. All the way
Did
up.
you today?
Yeah.
Damn, that's a tough line over there.
It's first
All that rain wash made them roots.
Oh yeah, that's what makes it so hard though.
Oh yeah.
You got one Endura and 3
The
mudslingers.
International ain't playing with the wheelies.
She likes wheelies. But if it weren't for that bumper, it'd have flipped over right there. Man, it looks good with them mudslingers on it. And the purple is starting to really come in now. Damn, that's sweet. Look at all them axles. At least you got one good girl. The 3S in her too now. Yeah, I tell you, them red cats are pretty nice. There's the step side. That servo ain't cooked crap yet. Just let it flicker for a while and it just starts working. There you go, Jack. There's the line right there. There's the line. Now you use your servo to work yourself down. See how I'm using my servo?
Yeah, to wiggle down. Get level again.
Look at that. Look at all that flex.
My conner's truck's in your way.
What's the? Oh yeah, he's on the hill already, huh?
That's the old. That was there's the clothes I raised. Now leave it there.
What? What?
That was, we had that all cleaned out.
Yeah. There ain't nothing really there. Yeah, there ain't nothing there. We've already made it up over here. Remember, Connor made it up this side with the stance last time we were here. You still over there messing with that easy line.
Not too easy with all the leaves on it.
Oh no! See, better get back down here with us.
See, I'm trying to go. I know the next body I get for this one's going to be a low ride. Not so top heavy.
Yeah, it's all just a body, really, you know.
Yeah. I like the international style, but it's a little top heavy.
I don't know, Jack. I think I'm falling off.
Uh-oh. He's gonna creep it.
Yeah. Come on, mudslingers. Come on, slingers. Come on, slingers. Come on, slingers. Oh, shit. There ain't no way. Sliding down even more. Damn.
No.
Shit.
I can't even, I got to the middle, that was it. Today, so far,
Look at there, Jack. I might get back up there. Uh-oh. Oh, no, it won't do it.
Give it the bees.
Oh, man. I thought I was in there, too. I'm getting ready to move his car out of the way and everything. You over here still messing with that hard line? You ever been up over them stumps yet, or no? Up that way and over the stumps?
Just in the middle.
Oh, okay.
That's it. With this truck in
Did you turn it on for her already?
I was up there.
Yeah, you're good. It's waterproof now. I got it waterproof now, so you can run it in the creek if you want. Heck yeah. Yeah, I almost was right behind you and I fell down again. These guys are still farting on easy lines. There you go, Randy. Yeah! Oh! Good catch. At least you didn't get hurt.
Not that I know of.
Yeah. There you go. Damn, fucking Jack coming in hard, man. Oh my God. Wendigo wants to see what's all the rave over here.
Yeah, what's going
But
on over here?
she sees what it is now. Oh, jeez. She sees what you guys are doing. I think she can get it, though. Whoa, easy now. Watch how you're driving.
Whoa, easy now.
Breaking my ankle. Whoa, easy. Yeah, that's a big hill you guys are messing with there. Didn't realize how big that hill was. Look at that kid. Get up there, Wendigo. Show them how you're doing it. I know, he said that's what he said. There ain't no way I'm getting up
Yeah,
there.
the first time.
What a dog. I might hit it with some speed, ain't I? Yeah, that's how you do it. Gotta hit it with some speed. And come over here to the left and then hop over to the right. There you go.
Yeah.
You got it, Connor? You gotta hit it, you gotta roll into it. Nice, good climb, good climb. Yeah, them tires hopefully will stay on now. I got them amazing gooped. So you threw them off the bead last time.
Right.
Here comes the old purple nurple. Oh, ow. Yeah.